welcome to Marrakech, the crazy big city, tourist city of Morocco. We're going to be spending £10 today and seeing how much we can get for our money. Marrakech has over 2 million tourists a year, pre-COVID anyways. Now some people in Marrakech are great at playing tricks and scams to eke out money from you. Make sure to watch out and remember to haggle. Let's begin the £10 challenge. Guys, we're going to be looking for a smoothie, and basically everywhere in the big square sells a smoothie. There's like, I'm telling you, like at least 20-30 different smoothie stands. And they all call you over. I'll try and get a little video of them doing that. Some guy trying to sell sunglasses behind me. There's another one behind me. So, skinny.
He's skinny.
He's calling you skinny. Skinny. There's a skinny one behind us. So, yeah, we're going to try and get a smoothie, but it depends who pulls us in with their little tactics. That's the mission for now. Hello, hello. Thank you. So we currently got about 50,000 people behind us shouting stuff, and it depends which one are we going to go to. It's hard to know. Oh! Where do you want to go?
I don't know what to do.
Oh! Oh, maybe.
What did he say?
He's got his little hat.
He's got a cool hat.
Yeah. Oh! 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 Oh, she's sold. She's gone. Wait. How much is a pomegranate? How much for pomegranate?
Granite, okay. 20 dirham.
20?
Yeah.
For pomegranate?
5 dirham.
For what?
For pomegranate.
Go on then. Okay.
Hey, Missy,
Can I?
Look it.
So he's here.
And the machine is good machine. Look.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
Good machine. I have the machine.
Do they not have it?
No, I have the machine and the truck.
Ah!
It's
That's
no
what
good.
we need.
It's no good.
Yeah. This
Look.
is what we've had this in fairs and everywhere. This is the stuff. Yeah.
It's good one.
Yeah, very good one.
تعرف خالتك تجافة.
Nice. Oh, look at them.
Whoa.
They're
It's good
juicy.
one.
Yes.
They look really good.
Come on. What do you want? Orange juice?
That's fine.
Orange, 4 dirham, 4 dirham.
Try. It's good.
Good price.
Next time.
The very best price. Come on.
It's no water. It's no water. That's pomegranate.
Number 23. That's where you get your pomegranate juice. And are all of those going in there?
Yeah.
All of them.
Oh.
Wow.
Wow.
For one cup.
For one
two
cup.
cup.
Wow.
There for what? One is 1 cup.
Really? Oh.
I swear.
Wow. Okay, so we got 2 of these for 10 dirhams each, which was cheaper than most of the other places, but oh, it's so good.
So good.
It's pure pomegranate juice. So I was just watching that guy behind me. So you got to be careful in this square. It's a little bit pickpockety, but we're all right. And anyway, yeah, so 10 dirhams each, but I did give him 5 dirhams extra just because he was so nice to let me film stuff. So yeah, guy with a snake behind me, trying to avoid him. Yeah, great price. So at 4 o'clock, they basically put up all the markets in for the night, and they all wheel them in like that. And then in the evening, it's absolutely bustling in this place. And we're going to eat at the night market later, so stay tuned for that. So we're going to be going into a supermarket and just seeing how much stuff is, especially like the alcohol, as alcohol is not really available much, but you can get it in the supermarkets. But we're going to kind of see how much it is. Oh, look at this hotel. That's probably a lot more than £10 a night. Just for reference, our hostel that we're staying in is £8 a night. It includes the local tax, because there's tax, and it also includes a free breakfast with it. So that's kind of the cost for our hostel which we're staying in. The alcoholic section, I think. there's a range of beers from imported beers like you get in the UK, and then also local Moroccan beers, which are a little bit cheaper. This is 22 dirham. We got this from the supermarket, which was in this cave area, which was really crazy to be honest, because it was like right at the back of the supermarket and you had to pay for it separately. But it cost 22 dirhams, which is about £1.75 currently. Okay, let's dig in.
Oh, they got a bit shaken up. It's nice.
Yeah, it's alright.
A little bit warm.
A little bit warm.
Does warm up quick here.
Yeah, it's like 30 degrees, so. Okay, so I'm looking to get a haircut, a local haircut, which is apparently about £3 or £4. Have a look.
Hello, haircut.
Haircut? Yeah. How much?
Sorry. Vous parlez français un peu?
Petit peu. Petit peu français.
Parce que pas. Too much? 1, 2, 3. Okay.
And then
Ici?
make it look
Un petit peu.
like this.
Non, ça c'est. Oui, caché avec le coloré.
So I just got a haircut. He did cut me quite a bit, but like it's quite normal when you do it with knives and stuff. Non merci. So yeah, but it's actually really good haircut. What do you think?
I think it's
What, is it quite short?
It's so short at the back.
It's quite short, but I mean, I don't mind. Keep me cool in the hot Moroccan weather. And that cost me 50 dirhams, which is about £4, so really good. In England it cost me about £16, so literally a quarter of the price. Wow, so I'm actually really pleased with that haircut. Apparently the fade might not be the best, but I don't care. It was only £4. Oh wow. Whoa, that guy just did like some weird thing. I don't know if you can see in the background. So yeah, £4 for a haircut. How crazy is this? So we're just heading, it's starting to get a little bit darker now. It's getting towards golden hour, and we're just gonna maybe have a look around the markets and just, yeah, have a little explore again. See what else we can find. So we're gonna try and find some cheap ice cream to have. We're gonna get a bowl, which is probably about, it's 20 dirhams, so it's about £1.60. Yeah.
So nice.
So yeah, it's good. I'm gonna have that. Let's try the Moroccan one. One scoop of the Moroccan one, and then one of the caramel. Okay, and in a bowl. Yeah, 20 dirhams, and so £1.60 each, which is pretty good for 2 scoops. I got a Moroccan one and a caramel one. The Moroccan one is actually so good. Definitely recommend it. The best time to walk around like the main square is around like golden hour and sunset time, as it is so pretty and everywhere is just getting so busy, so you can just take in the atmosphere and everything. Definitely recommend walking around at this time. It's amazing. So we just got some fries just because we were a little bit peckish, and it cost us 5 dirhams, which is like 40p, which is so cheap. Sorry for the background noise, but it's the call to prayer. It's that time of the day, and we're going to start to look for some food for the night in the night market, and it is a crazy place to eat. I definitely recommend it. So let's go look for some food. Right, finding somewhere to eat. The night market has come to life. Discount. Ooh. Snails. I'm not sure about snails, but snail soup or something. Do you like snails? I've never actually had them. Maybe we should try them at some point. We're looking for somewhere to eat. Hey, it's upside down. Silly boy.
Big boss is my father, Mustafa.
Nice.
Where are you from? German? England?
Italy.
Italy, Italia 1.
Oui.
Canale 5.
We're not from Italy.
England.
We're both from England.
You're welcome.
We got
It's like some calamari, it's like shrimp sauce. Add another one here, sister, look. Another one is like skewers, lamb, beef, lamb chops, kafta, salad,
We had that
tagine.
yesterday. So.
It's like fish, it's the same.
Which?
Give me the card, Aziz. See the price.
Oh wow, that came out of nowhere.
Democratic price.
Democratic.
And after it, my friend promised, I give you a free drink. Small drink, it's friend house. Because me, I'm the boss, small boss. And welcome to
And you're going to give us a drink as well? Oh, okay, perfect. To this restaurant, and I think we're going to get some fish, fried fish and stuff. Ooh.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. How much is this?
Free. So something.
So Emilia's got her couscous, which is 35 dirhams, and then we got some chips. These chips were only 5 dirhams.
You want to take fish?
No, it's okay. So we got a calamari, which is 35 dirhams. Not the largest plate.
Yeah, 35 dirham, big plate.
For calamari.
Calamari.
That's really good.
Is it?
Yeah, try some of this. Okay, we're all done. Now we just got to pay. Just be careful because they try and overcharge you sometimes, so watch out. Always check your pricing. So we just ate and they couldn't, it was 5 dirhams, but the guy, it was 95, but the other guy was like, no, it's 100. And I was like, well, it's 95 because I added it up. So just be careful when you're in these markets because they might try and overcharge you, and you never get loads of food. But to be fair, if you're in Marrakech, you've got to come to the markets, come to the night markets, because it's just the best way to experience it, and it's quite fun. So yeah, there you go. I feel like I just need to put a disclaimer here and just say, I know these people are just trying to earn money, but lying to your face is just like, it shows like no respect, and just, you feel like you're almost like a walking ATM. Whereas if they just said the real price, I'd happily tip more because they're being genuine, honest people. That is the £10 challenge in Marrakech, and as you can see, it is a very affordable place. But you can also spend a lot of money if you wanted to. If you enjoyed this type of video, then leave it in the comments because it's quite helpful. I could do it in lots of different countries that I'm going to. I'm going to Egypt soon, so I've got a lot more videos coming from Egypt, but also a couple of more Moroccan videos too. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.